Hey, what's up everyone? I'm your host Satyajit and welcome back to Spirit Tales. So guys, today in this video, I'm going to prepare a very refreshing cocktail, Ginger Fizz. It's a very refreshing cocktail
you can enjoy anytime, and the best thing is that this cocktail is a very pocket friendly and the ingredients are very simple and common that you will get in your home easily. So before we start our video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Alright, let's go. It's a very simple and refreshing cocktail and also easy to make. Add all the ingredients into your shaker, 10 to 15 pieces of ginger cubes, and with a muddler give it a nice crush till the time all the juice get extracted properly. And to balance the drink, I am adding 15 ml of lemon or lime juice. It will also give a tangy flavor and also enhance the taste of the drink. Add 60 ml of vodka. Guys, you can use white rum also. I personally prefer vodka, so I am using it here. Alright, that's cool. Now add around 3 to 4 ice cubes into your shaker. Now give it a nice shake for around 20 seconds. Yeah, it's done now. Take a highball or a tumbler and double strain your drink. Alright. And now add 3 to 4 more ice cubes into your glass. Okay, it's done now. And for garnish, cut a lemon or lime wheel. Give it a nice cut so that it can get easily set on the glass rim. And now top up with SPRITE. Guys, you can use club soda as well, but make sure if you are using club soda, then don't forget to add 30 ml of simple syrup while mixing the drink. And here is your ginger fizz ready to go. That's all for this video guys. Hope you liked the video. If you like the video, give a thumbs up and don't forget to share. Don't drink and drive, drink responsibly. Till the time, take care and bye bye. See you in the next video.